hold it together.
Hey y'all, my name is Miss Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you have not done so already, please subscribe. This video is going to be on a wig that I purchased from AliExpress. So if you want to watch and see how I turn this wig from drab to fab, keep on watching. Now I have my wig in the position that I want. I'm now going to go part it, and then I'm going to flat iron the middle because I want a middle part. And in order for it to, stay in place and there's no flyaways, I'm just going to take a little bit of my wax stick and I'm going to place it on the areas where I see flyaways or where I want the hair to lay. Next, I'm going to take my hot comb and then I'm going to press it down. Now with this particular wig, it took a lot of time to customize it. It was very thick as far as in the area where the lace was around the hairline. So I plucked a lot of hair out of this. So I'm going to show you a clip, and you're going to be able to see how much hair I had to pluck in order for it to look halfway natural. So as soon as I go ahead and take my Got2B glue spray and spray it down, I'm also going to go in and pluck some more. So I'm going to show you how it looks now. Get the hair out this way. So with this as well, I'm taking my wax stick, and I just want to be able to get the hair and flyaways out the way. So as you can see, still a little bit thick to my liking around the hairline, but this is 10 times better than what it was before. So as you can see, that's how it's looking. This is the hairline now plucked. And again, it's still thick, so I'm going to go in and customize it some more. And I'm not going to tag this hair. Although I purchased it with my own money, I do not like the hair, nor do I like the company customer service, so I will not be recommending this. If you want to know more details about it, just hit me up in my comment section and I'll give you the information. As a matter of fact, I might leave it on there, just depending on how I feel, because I was just so frustrated with this company. But if you purchase from here, please note you're purchasing at your own risk. I recommend it. One, it's too much work, and two, I've seen better, much better. Now that I got everything slicked down, everything is laying flat, I'm going to go ahead and start the process of spraying this down. I'm not going to put any hair glue, and the reason being is because I want to wear this temporarily and I want to be able to change my style. So typically I use the Got2B glue hairspray. Right here, I love doing the ball count method, even if I'm applying a wig and it's temporarily or for something that I'm going to take off. But I love having this because it just makes it look a little bit more natural to me. So as you can see it along the edges, it is lifting. So I'm going to go in with this Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool setting and I'm just going to blow dry this. And what I do is I try not to touch it because I notice once you touch it with your hands, it kind of have this white cast. So I avoid touching this at all times. And then also, I haven't tried it, and I think I'm going to try that next, but you also can lay down your actual lace with this as well. So this is good for both. This is good for doing a ball count method and also laying down the lace.
You say that you don't wanna leave me. Yeah, I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need. I go that crazy without you.
Now that my lace is in a position that I wanted and I slicked the hair back, I'm going to go in with my Got2B hairspray and I'm going to lay my lace.
You had me at low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at low. I don't understand why you're
Now I'm just going to take some scissors and start cutting some of this lace. Usually I cut it in slits and then go section by section and spray the Got2B glue, but I didn't do that this time. But nonetheless, it still worked. So I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to go in like little zigzag little motions. And I'm going to cut this lace. So this is the hair that I cut off. Now that I cut the lace, I'm going to take my Got2B glue spray and I'm going to melt the hairline. And I do sections at a time. This just gives me time to go ahead and make sure glue is not running everywhere, on my forehead, things of that nature.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at low. I don't understand why you're thinking
take my Got2B glue gel and I'm going to slick my baby hairs. Just to save time, I'm going to finish up the back and then I'll come back on camera and finish up the rest of my hair. So this wraps up this video. As you can see, this wig came out wonderful. I was able to finesse it and I'm actually loving it. So if you have not done so already, please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.